Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Apollo IE. So I was really, waiting to unbox this particular casting because this has this uh, suicide doors, and I really wanted to see how this one actually looks. Okay, let me just, it's a bit tight compared to other castings which we did. Okay, it actually feels really nice. Let's see. Okay, let me close this for a minute. It has some dust. Okay, so the first impressions of this casting, to be very honest with you guys, they really did well on the black paint job, because whenever we unbox a Hot Wheels and if it is a black paint job, that that is always like a shitty one. But these guys really nailed it when it comes to the color of the black color. And the casting itself looks really awesome. And I mean, I don't have this particular car in any other brand. The affordable ones I'm talking about, even the premium ones I don't have. Honestly, the first time I heard about this casting is when I saw this in Siku. So it has headlight details painted on. Honestly, I never actually saw this car before, even in pictures or anything. So I'm not sure how this headlight is supposed to look. But I'm just going with the flow right now. So here are the headlight details they painted on it, and you see the logo here, which is really nice. The paint job is absolutely awesome. So you can see the splitters. The fenders looks really nice. The hood details, I mean, that looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm really glad I picked up this casting. And you can see the exhaust here. It is kind of star shaped. Not exactly star, maybe three diamonds, like Mitsubishi. So Mitsubishi literally means three diamonds if you don't know about that. Okay, so let's talk about casting now. Okay, so I don't know if it came out. Okay, yeah, it came out actually. So I don't know how I'm going to push it in. I really don't want to break this car. Yeah, it went in. Got it. So just okay. So the spoiler here, this is actually plastic. Okay, did see it inside properly, but still I'm seeing some gap here. Maybe I need to push it in a little bit. Okay, done. Okay, the spoiler here, this piece, entire piece is plastic. So the body is metal, chassis is plastic, and the tires are rubber. So rims are like standard, the same set of rims. So it has this detailing here in the chassis. So this actually looks really gorgeous. Okay, let's try the doors. There are little bit of paint issues here. I mean, like paint bubbles here, but nothing too drastic to worry about. Okay, let me try this side as well. That is really nice. You can see the interior here. That actually looks really gorgeous. I'm really happy they actually went with openable doors instead of hood or something like that for this casting. I don't know if this casting, I mean, if this actual car has a hood in the front. So, but it needs to be it needs to have some kind of opening for, like either engine or even if it is a battery pack or something like that. So this one has a silencer, I mean exhaust, so which means it has a engine only. It is not an electric car, because nowadays electric car looks something really like this only. So, and it is getting really boring nowadays because they all go with similar kind of that futuristic you know simply simple look. I mean, that is taking away that uh, the beauty of the car itself. I really don't know why they are doing that. Maybe Lamborghini didn't do that yet. So Lamborghini did present a electric SUV kind of electric SUV. I'm forgetting the name of it now, but there is an electric SUV and it's a concept now. Maybe around in next 5 or 6 years they are planning to launch it. That looked really nice. That looked a bit different compared to even Tesla or even other brands. So this looks really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting. This is relatively light, so maybe around 35 grams. Let's see. 37 grams. Okay, fine. Okay, let's do a roll test. Let's see if it fits the track. Yeah, it does. Okay, it may not roll really well. It has a lot of noise. The front wheel, both wheels actually wobble a lot, but still it actually reaches, like till this level. Let me just zoom in a little bit. But it is better, honestly, compared to Hot Wheels, even with rubber tires, these cars are rolling better. And I'm really happy about it. Even though I'm not going to play with it, these things looks absolutely gorgeous. So someone was telling me about, to switch this up, this display which I'm having here and switch it up with some other car so that they can look at the collections I'm having. So it is really hard for me to pick what to keep it here. So that's the reason I didn't change it. So let's see. Let me just see if I can able to put some Sikus in instead of keeping the Maestros here. So let's try that one because Lamborghini is going to stay the same because that's what started it all. It's like like my tribute to Lamborghini. It stays in all the video. So there is one more layer on top of this. You guys never saw that. So there it is. So that is like the Hot Wheels Premium and STH which I'm having up there. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.